What's going on, people? Today I'm going to show you how to make some chicken burgers that I like to make. All we're going to need is some oat bran, a few cloves of garlic, some reggae sauce, or you can use barbecue sauce, 2 red onions, and a kilo and a half of chicken minced chicken breast. Alright, you can use something else like turkey or beef mince or something like that if you prefer, but I'm just going to use chicken because it's a bit more lean. Alright, let's get cracking. I throw in oats because it helps the mince kind of bind together a bit better, if you're wondering. Now I'm just going to mould the burgers and put it into 6 burgers and then let it rest in the fridge for 15-20 minutes or so. Okay, I made 5 burgers. So, there you have it. Slap them in the fridge for 20 minutes and then they'll be good to go in the oven. Yeah, buddy. Something else I forgot to mention, I like to just cut them in half about 20 minutes in, just to make sure that they're really going to get cooked all the way through, because last thing you want to do is be eating raw chicken. And there you have it, Aussie's chicken burgers. Remember to make sure they're piping hot throughout. Ouch! And there you have it, boom, 5 chicken burgers, chicken mince, couple red onions, garlic, reggae sauce, and you're in the game. Nice.